Hi, my name's Peter Sidwell and welcome to my outdoor kitchen. We've got a brand new series this summer on Peter Sidwell's Kitchen Facebook and YouTube channel, all about barbecue. I have partnered up with Masterclass to showcase some of their brand new, amazing barbecue equipment that is going to revolutionise and up your game in the barbecue. So stay tuned. I've got a little recipe now for you as well, just to whet your appetite. Breakfast time. We're about to shoot the whole series over the next few days. We need to make some breakfast for the crew. They get quite hungry, and when they get hungry, they get a bit narky, a bit hangry, don't they? Yeah. So I thought I'd cook the most amazing breakfast burger. Emily's a little skeptical. It will be absolutely delicious. Starts with a pineapple, okay? So you could use tin pineapple if you want to. No problem with that at all. So just cut down. Love a good pineapple. It's going to be the most amazing breakfast burger with pineapple, bacon, Swiss style cheese. Oh, it's going to be good. It's going to be really good. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so cut the pineapple down the middle, cut it into quarters, and now we just need to get rid of the core. So just cut, like in cheese terms, it would be the nose, wouldn't it? So just cut that piece away. And now we've got some beautiful pineapple to work with. Right, let's just nick these little pieces off here. Okay, so let's just taste this pineapple, make sure it's delicious. Really good. We're going to cut the pineapple into little cubes, okay? Nice little thin strips. See, for me, ham and pineapple, gammon and pineapple, amazing. Breakfast, bacon, sausage, pineapple, all mixed up into a lovely little breakfast burger. It's going to be amazing, all right? Am I convincing you yet, Emily? Are you getting there? A little bit. Right, let's put that pineapple on there, out of the way. The key is to cut this nice and small, okay? Because you want every bite to have that little bit of salty bacon and a little bit of sweetness from the pineapple. My dad would love this. Absolutely love this dish. Dad, I'll make it for you next time you come and visit. So you've got to chop the pineapple really nice and fine. Lots of little cubes. There we go. Right, let's get that into our mixing bowl. Okay. Let's pop that to there. Now, got a little bit of rosemary. I'm going to use some of this for something in a minute. But we're going to add a little bit of rosemary because rosemary, pineapple, pork work really, really well. Okay? And everyone's got loads of rosemary in their garden. It just grows itself. You don't need to look after it. Okay, so that can go in. Right. Here, in this little container here, I've got some bacon that I've just put through the food processor. Smoked bacon is my choice. I love it. I've just popped this smoked bacon into the food processor, blitzed it up, and it's good to go. Now, I've got some nice little Cumberland sausages, because bacon, sausage, that's what you want for breakfast, isn't it? Let's just cut them out their skins. So these are Cumberland sausage, because I live in the Lake District, and that's just the way we roll up here. So they're a pork sausage, heavily seasoned. Love them. These are just the little chipolata ones.
Do you use any other?
Yeah, you can use whatever sausages you can get hold of, really. I mean, it's whatever your preference is, really. Like I say, I live in the Lake District, and I like Cumberland sausage. And that's what we have, so that's what we go for. But you could do a chicken sausage if you wanted to. There's loads of really good chicken sausages out there, beef sausages. Personally, I like a pork sausage in this, but it's up to you. Right, that will do for now. Okay, and then our friends at Wild and Fruitful have just brought out this lovely mustard ketchup, and I thought this is going to go lovely in it and on it. So let's just pour a little bit in. It's got a lovely sweet mustardy flavour, and it's going to work really, really well. Next thing, get your hands in. Mix the pineapple and the bacon and the sausage together. Get it all working through, okay? You want that nice distribution. I tell you what, this would make an amazing sausage roll as well. If you've got any excess, roll it up in some puff pastry and you're good to go. Okay, that for me is just about mixed. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper, no salt because I've got bacon in there. Okay, it's not going to need it. Okay, right. Now, the secret now to shaping them is to wet your hands. So I'm just going to wash my hands down here. And then I can get a plate for my burgers. Keep my hands wet. Really important. And then just shape your burgers. Get them all nice and even. Okay, in their size. If you want to weigh them out, fine. Okay, but just turn them. Look at your bread rolls as well and whatever you're going to put them in. And that's kind of your size that you want. And because my hands are wet, they're just going to come straight off. So again, wet my hands. And just shape the burger. Now, if you don't want to mince up the bacon and everything, if you go and see your butcher, you can often get like bacon bits, which is all the trimmings from the joints of bacon. They're really cheap and they're really useful for adding that lovely flavour, okay? So I'll do one more, we'll cook 3, because we like 3s, don't we, Emily?
We do.
We do. But this will make easily 6 to 8 burgers, okay? And if you want the recipe, go to petersidwell.com and you'll be able to get the recipe there on our blog. And if you really like our recipes, we've got a new book coming out in September 24 called Peter Sidwell's Kitchen. And it ties in with our weekly cookery programme that we broadcast on YouTube and Facebook every Saturday morning, 9 a.m. UK time. Okay? Come join us. Right, burgers are made. All I need to do now is just share something with you. I've got this lovely oil bottle. So this is from Masterclass. I want to make a barbecue oil. Okay? So this is a great way to get loads of flavour in to your food and on your food. So loads of fresh rosemary in there. Okay, and then I've got some vegetable oil in there. Don't waste your money on expensive olive oil for this. Get your pepper in there, a little bit of salt, and then the bottle top comes with these little plastic brushes. So just pop those on, give it a really good shake, and now we've got heavily flavoured oil. So I'm just going to brush. Look, you can see the peppers coming out there with it as well. We've now got an amazing rosemary oil, which is just great. Amazing flavours. Right. Our charbroil is gas. It's nice and hot. It's really mobile. Absolutely perfect for chucking in the back of the car. Okay. So we've got that on. And what I'm going to do is just grab the burger and just place it oil side down, okay? There we go. Perfect, right, just gonna wash my hands. While it's cooking, Let's get some of our other last remaining pineapple because it's too nice to not use. Okay, so most of it's gone in the burgers and in me and Emily. And then we're just gonna scorch some pineapple on the grill while everything's cooking because that's just gonna be amazing. Little bit of our barbecue oil just on everything, just for that added bit of flavour, and I think we are good to go. So let's just lift this grilled pineapple off the grill. That's just going to give us a wonderful sort of sweet pineapple-y grilled flavour to this. It's going to be a good one. There's our pineapple. Now, got some Jarlsberg, which is like a Norwegian sort of Scandinavian style cheese. It's the perfect one for this, in my opinion. Just pop them on. Holy cheese. Love a bit of holy cheese. There we go. Drop the lid down for like 30 seconds. Okay, I've got some nice sourdough bread rolls here. I think you need a bread roll with a bit of substance. I'm not a brioche burger bun fan. I just don't think they're robust enough to hold this kind of thing. So, let's see what we've got, Emily. Are you ready to be converted?
Maybe. I think so. It smells good.
Oh, there we go. That's enough. Just enough melt. Not a lot. Let's just lift that onto our burger bun. There we go. We'll get the same on this one. There we go. This looks good. Turn that grill off for now. Then let's grab some of our grilled pineapple. I think 3 slices on there will be lovely. There we go. And then our friends at Wild and Fruitful with their mustard ketchup. Why the devil not? It's the perfect accompaniment. So let's just pour some of that on there. Oh. And same on that one. It's not going to blow your head off. It's quite a nice sort of sweet mustardy flavour, which is why I think it will work perfectly on this. And then on with the lid. And there you go. A bacon, pineapple and sausage burger. Perfect for breakfast. Absolutely delicious. Now don't forget, every Saturday morning, 9 a.m, Peter Sidwell's Kitchen on Facebook or YouTube. You can catch our entire barbecue series as well as about 200 other episodes. Come and join us. It's going to be taste amazing.